the baby shower. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther. In case you are new here, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. You guys, I woke up this morning and I had a lot of things going through my mind. I just dropped Jasmine off in school and this is the first time I'm actually taking Jasmine to school since I had our baby. Obi has returned back to work. He stayed home for 2 weeks for his paternity leave. Normally paternity leave is 10 days obligatory, but where he's working they gave him extra days so he can put things together. So he has come back to work and reality just set in. I feel things will not be the same again now that he has come back to work. I'll be doing the things that he has been helping me with, and most especially going to see baby will now be more difficult for me because before that he's been at home 24/7. Anytime I wish to go and see our baby, I just tell him let's go and we are on our way. But now that he's going to work with his work schedules and everything, I feel things are going to change and going to see baby will be very difficult, and I feel frustrated right now thinking about it. I have not fully healed. I still feel pains in my pelvic area and I'm not really very strong to be jumping bus up and down. I don't know what to do. You guys know I don't have car of my own. The car you see me drive is for my husband, so I don't know what to do. I honestly do not know what to do. I feel tired. All these kind of feelings were not really there for few days or few time now because he has been there for me and all that, but now that he has gone back to work, staying alone at home, the whole feelings, thinking and everything I'm trying not to think about, they are just coming. I don't know what to do. I don't know. The excitement going to see baby, carrying her, and now that it will be like we'll be counting days, who knows how many days before I can be able to go there with Jasmine, this, that. I don't know what else to do. I just hope we find a balance and things will be less difficult. I'm trying to pump this morning. I want to pump and I've been freezing my breast milk now because I don't want to lose any breast milk. Like before I was even pumping, I'll be throwing them away because they were all over the place. Now that I'm not producing milk like before, I'm really struggling to produce milk, so I'm freezing them. Anytime I go to the hospital, I just give them. I don't fill the storage, I just put it like few, so if they want to take one bag, maybe they will exhaust the whole thing, that they know that they will have milk that is already expired and they throw it away. So I don't want that. This is all I could get. This is very frustrating. Like, hey guys, I told you before that, okay, it was on the baby shower gender reveal. I told you guys I ordered matchy outfits and that baby shower was yesterday. Today they arrived. I can't wait. This one is for indoor. I ordered these cute socks for Jasmine. They are so cute. Oh my god, very affordable, eh? Very affordable. So I got them for Jasmine. Jasmine, look at all of the pots you see. Thank you.
It is sauce.
You guys remember I said I bought waist trainer and it wasn't my size. So I got another one. This one is extra large, and I know it's not going to fit because the M I bought later fit my tummy when my tummy went down. So meaning this extra large is going to be so big. I don't know what to do. This is the storage I bought for baby room. I'm going to check it out later. Storage, my storage organizer. Oh my god, our matchy outfit. This one is for Jasmine. Let me show you Jasmine's own. See Jasmine's own. They wrote Big Sister. I can't wait for them to rock it. I can't wait. I can't wait. This one is for baby. Sorry. This is for baby. This is so beautiful. I bought this because I have the pajama. So I'm going to rock this with my baby. I saw this one too on at OVS day before yesterday. I saw it in one shop called OVS. So I'm going to buy for Jasmine there. So the three of us can wear it. It's so beautiful and so cozy. This is so warm for this cold weather. It's like the neck will be a bit big. See the neck. I would have bought smaller size. This one is... Daddy, stop making noise with that.
Hey!
They did not put the size. Maybe this one is okay, 3 to 6 months. I would have bought 1 to 3 months. This one is for baby, for baby. This one is to welcome baby home. This one is so beautiful. Do you know why I bought this one? Let me tell you guys.
Mama,
Wait, I bought this outfit that they wrote rainbow because these babies are a rainbow baby. So that's why I ordered this outfit. It's so cute. Ah, baby girls, they have things like you go buy, you go tire. This one is for baby. I didn't see the same color for she and Jasmine, so I bought this one. Little sister. So I just can't wait for them to wear. This one is apricot color, and Jasmine's own is white. But it's not a problem. What matters is what is written on it. Big sister and little sister. I don't know what is even inside this place. I bought this one for hubby. Ah, this one is for Jasmine. Anyways, my battery is down. I cannot continue this video. I have to charge my camera battery. This one is breast storage. After I pump, this is what I used to store it. My battery is about to die, so I'll see you guys. My baby is wearing her first dress for the very first time after 2 weeks. You guys, I'm so emotional. I want to cry. After 2 weeks, my baby is wearing clothes. Oh my god. Oh my god. They have removed everything she is using to like support her breath, her breathing, and the checkup, whatever. See the feeding bottle she's using to eat. This is the timetable for the feeding. I'm really so excited since she will soon go home. You guys, it's been a hell of a journey since morning. Like, hey, I've been through hell this morning. Jasmine, that you are hearing her voice at the background, showed me Shege this morning. She has not been to school since 3 days. Since 3 days now, Jasmine has been sick. She has flu, cough, fever. Since morning, she has been vomiting, like throwing up. Anything she eats, she just throw up. I was even trying to contact her doctor. Her doctor is not available today. So tomorrow I'll have to take Jasmine to see her doctor. So now you're seeing me on week, composed and all. We are getting ready to go and see baby. Tomorrow she will be 3 weeks. You guys, she's growing. The last time we saw her, she was wearing her outfit for the first time. She was looking changed. She was really eating well. I even breastfed her. I even fed her with feeding bottle because they said my breast milk was finished and I don't produce a lot of breast milk. So when my breast milk is not available, they give her formula, which is fine by me. Although I didn't do that with Jasmine, but for her it's fine. As far as she's okay, I'm okay. It's fine. So we are getting ready to go and see baby. Bobby is taking his bath. He just came back from work. My voice is changed because I've been crying. You guys, you already know. When I'm alone, Jasmine was sleeping. I was just watching music, video, and inspirational like movies, inspirational song, quotes, and all that. And I was just crying. So, anyways, I'll see you guys when I get to the hospital. Your popcorn? What happened to it? Jasmine, I beg, leave me, Joe. You guys, we are on our way to the hospital to see our little pumpkin. And I just want to give a quick shout out to all the mom that goes to see their baby in the nicu. Honestly, it's not easy. We've been going every day, but now we are going every 2 days, and it's been exhausting. If you haven't walked through this path, you won't know how it feels like. I really want to send hugs to all the mom that their babies are in the nicu because it's not easy. It's really not easy. You will not understand if you have not been there. You guys, we just got to the hospital premises. I'm rushing to get inside. I even left Jasmine and her father. I left Jasmine and her father behind because it's almost 5:30 and my baby normally eats around this time, 5:30, because she has timetable. So if I don't get in now, that means I'm going to miss it, of which I don't like to miss out. Because if she eats now, she's going to sleep. And when you're there, you're just touching her, calling her name, just playing with her, she'll just be sleeping. So I really need to get into the hospital now. They changed my baby room. She's now grown. Tomorrow she'll be 3 weeks. She's in this room where they put bigger babies. The other side is where they put small babies. I just came out of the nicu. Jasmine is having flu. I told you guys before. So because of that, they will not allow her father to go see baby. Even me, they washed my hand more than 5 times, sanitize it and all. So because of Jasmine fever, they said hubby cannot go in. Baby is growing, you guys. They changed her room. She's now in this first entrance where they put big babies. So she's almost 2 kg. She's 1960 grams. So just 40 grams, she'll be 2 kg. Very soon she'll be home. She's so cute. She looks so much like my husband and their family, to be very honest. Anyways, I'm going. So I want to go meet Jasmine and Obi. They are in the playground where they play around there for kids. So I can't wait to be back to see baby next tomorrow.